Hi friends, today I will show you how to create file system in a Linux with LVM. Okay, so let me first add a storage. So I'm going to vCenter. Here you can select your nodes and right click and go to settings. And now you select the hard disk and then click on the add button. And now you click on the next, click on the next. Here you can select create a new virtual disk. Now you click next and here you specify the size. So I'm going to give 10 GB. Now click next and click on the finish button. Okay. So I have added my disk on the server. So let me see. Yeah, you can see that disk is not showing here. Which one we added just now. Okay, so what we have to do, either we can reboot our system or you can run one command. So I will show you that command, which one we have to run. So I am going to run that command with the for loop. Okay, so for space host space in slash sys class slash sci underscore host slash star enter do enter echo space double quote give three hyphen with a space. I will explain you what is the meaning of three hyphen in another video. Okay, and now you give pipe sudo space t space dollar host dollar host slash scan, press enter. Now ls space dev slash sd star. Okay, now press enter and now done. Yeah, you can see that device scan successfully. So let me see now. Yeah, you can see that 10 GB it's showing now. Okay, so you can use this command also, lsblk hyphen s capital S, so it will also. Okay, so let me now. So in a file system, in a Linux, if you creating, there are some steps are there. Okay, so I will show you one step by step, one by one. Okay, so first, what we have to do, we need to create PV, physical volume. Okay, so going to create a PV, create a space, and then your device name. So what is device name? SDB. So give here dev, and SDB. Okay, so you can see here it's showing physical volume successfully created. Okay, this is my PV name. Okay, you can see with this command also PVS. Okay, now I have to create the VG. Okay, volume group. So let me create that volume group. VG create space VG name. So I'm going to give VG name VG01 and space. Now you give the your PV name. Okay, so means this VG you where you want to create. So I want to create this VG on this PV. Okay, so I'm giving slash DF and slash SDB. Okay, so now you can see here it's showing volume group VG1 create successfully created. You can see with this command also VGS. Okay, so it would, yeah, see my VG name, it's saying VG01 size 10 GB. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to create LV. So LV means a logical volume. So I will go to create that one also. LV create space hyphen n means new, LV name LV01 I am giving here, and space hyphen capital L and size. So like in a one VG you can create multiple LV. Okay, so you can create like 4 5, So as per your requirement, you can create that one. Okay, so now I am creating only one LV. Okay, so I am going to take size that one also 5 GB. So you give 5G means that is 5 GB. Size is a 5 GB. Okay, and here you give the VG name. So like this LV where you want to create. So I want to create this LV on this VG like VG01. Okay, press enter. So you can see logical volume LV0 created. You can see check with this command also LVS. Yeah, you can see that your LV name, VG name, and this is the size. And all else you can, if you want see the more details, you can use this command also LVS display, LV display, LV display. Okay, so it will show all the information. Okay, so yeah, so my LV is also created. So now what I have to do, I have to create the file system. You can create there are different types of file system ext2, ext3, ext4, xfs. So I will explain you in another video what is the difference between those file system. So as of now, I am going to create on ext4 file system. Okay, so the mkfs mkfs space hyphen t file system type ext4. I'm going to create ext4, so I'm going to giving ext4 slash dev slash vg name vg01 slash lv name lv01. Yeah, you can see my the ext4 file system is created. Okay, file system type is created. Now what I have to do, so like I have to create one directory. So I'm going to create one directory mkdir space slash dv2. Okay, okay, so now what I have to do, I have to mount this dv2 on which one we created, the lv and lv. Okay, so mount space slash dev slash s uh, uh, sorry slash dev slash vg name slash lv name slash my file system type, sorry, my directory. So dv2. Yeah, so we mounted that one also. Now you can check with this command, it will show here. See dv2 4.6 GB. Okay, so this is a way you can create the file system with the LVM. And after creating the file system, you have to add this file system in your FS tab, or else what will be happen if you reboot your system, it will be not mount automatically. Okay, so I will explain you in another video uh, how to add the files created file system in FS tab. Okay, and like there is some parameters are there, so I will explain you each and every steps. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and like my video if and write the comments also, so I can improve my video. Thank you for watching.